Okay, so today you are going to learn how to make a grid on your 8x10 photograph that has been printed off. You are doing something called a 1-to-1 transfer, which means that your final copy image is going to be the exact same size as your photograph. So to do that, what we're going to do is we are going to make a 1-inch grid across our paper. When you receive your paper, it should already be cut down to 8 inches across. So when I use my ruler, when you start to measure, you never start to measure from the very edge of the ruler. You start from the first line here. So I'm going to place this at the bottom of my picture, and I'm going to line up the corner of my picture with that first line. So if you can see right there, that line and the corner are lined up. I'm going to make sure that my ruler is straight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mark every inch across the bottom of my paper. I'm not going to draw any lines, I'm just making a small mark. Once I've done the bottom, I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to move it all the way to the top of my paper. I'm going to line up my ruler and make sure that it's mostly straight. And then I'm going to make sure that the first line of the ruler is lined up with the edge of my paper. Every inch, I'm going to make a mark at the top of my paper like this. Now that I have the marks on the top and the bottom, I'm going to connect them. You're not actually measuring at this part. You're just lining up the line on the bottom with the line on the top. And I'm going to put the ruler a little bit to the side of the mark, like this, so I can still see it on the top and the bottom. Once I've done that, I'm going to draw a line along the edge of the ruler all the way down. Make sure that you hold your ruler as steady as you can while you are making your line, so that the ruler does not move. And now I have a line going all the way from the top to the bottom of my paper. I'm going to connect all of these dots to its companion dot at the top, and I should have 7 lines going down my picture from top to bottom.